to demonstrate how our products fit into welders' needs for writing on different substrates, metal, hot, cold, oily, wet surfaces, and that's why we're here at FABTECH. We had this created by Featherlite to showcase different types of materials, allowing our customers to be hands-on with our products and actually demo our markers firsthand. We have a very large amount of markers that we create, so being able to have all of those displayed neatly, that's pretty important to us. We're very happy with the flow of traffic coming into the booth, getting people to stop and test out our markers firsthand, and then walking into the booth to see the other solutions that we offer. So having the video screen in the back to really showcase our products that we can't show for the welding industry in person because they're not welding in our booth, that's been key. We actually utilized Featherlite to set up and dismantle the booth for us, so it made really a breeze to come in and see it in person, all set up. We are going to be using it multiple times in different configurations, breaking it up into 10 by 10s as well as keeping it as a 10 by 20. And changing the graphics is a great versatile use for it. Great job all around between our collaboration with Featherlite and our internal teams. It was a very smooth process.